How you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe, following the rules and guidelines of the government. One important thing, guys, this is the reading for the zodiac sign Cancer, okay, for the month of October 2020. I hope you like this reading. And my mom is laughing. I don't know why she always laughs when I do the reading, okay. So yes. Okay, so yeah. Shh. Okay, so guys, if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you wish to donate, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to, enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's check out what's going on with you in the month of October, Cancerians. Okay, so yeah, I'm trying to be on time, guys. Okay. With my readings this time, like, let's check it out what's going on with you. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so what are you going through in the month of October? Okay, there's a lot of instability going on, holding back your energies, not holding back anymore, but yeah, instability into your financial world in the month of October, Cancerians. Okay, you will be feeling stuck when it comes to materialistic world. So what you need to do to focus on this financial things, okay, instability either in career or relationship, it can resonate with anything, because I'm doing the situationship thing. Okay, so there is a major decision about to make. You are going to make a major decision when it comes to your instability, either into your career life or your financial world. Okay, you are holding back from someone or something, you are sad and depressed and worried about the same. Okay, the next is one card for career, relationship and health. One card for career, this is the cover. One card for career, relationship and health. Okay, you are ending something or someone. Okay, either you are ending a job, you are switching up to a new job. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. Either someone is ending a relationship, either someone is ending the betrayal, dishonesty, problems, unstable emotions within themselves. Either someone is ending a job or a particular business and starting a new one. Okay, so whatever is ending and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, October, for the month of October. Okay, so the next question I just want to know is all about how your partner feels about you. Okay, so they are concerned about you. Okay, they feel that you are an independent energy. Okay, like you are soul independent, financially very much stable. Your partner feels that you are an independent energy, who does what what he or she wants to do. So they follow their wishes, whatever you are. They feel, your partner feels that you are an independent energy, Cancerians. That is beautiful. Okay, so yeah, what you need to focus on from now, what you need to focus on from now in the month of October, what you need to focus on in the month of October, what you need to focus on in the month of October, what you need to focus on in the month of October. Okay, so you need to focus on leaving the past behind and moving forward into your life. Okay, I feel that you should leave the past behind and you should move forward into your life. Okay, so you need to focus on that into the month of October. Okay, the next question is, what are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? I think few of the people who are into separation, okay, they might be reconciling in the month of October as well. A major decision is about to happen into a relationship also, for the people who are into married but separated, who are into relationship but into separation. Okay, a reconciliation is about to happen. Okay, so yes, what are the hopes and fears? Okay, wow. Oh, there is a less or no communication is happening between two people, two person. I think there are two people. It's a love situation, I guess. There's instability going from last few months when it comes to our uh, problems in a relationship. Okay, either there is less communication or no communication, Cancerian. Okay, you are not communicating with your partner, or your partner is not communicating with you. Okay, and that's why you feel stuck. Sorry for the background sound. Okay, and that's why you feel stuck in leaving the past behind and moving forward. Okay, because you feel that this is a spiritual connection, and that which is unstable right now, but you want to make it stable. You are trying to make it stable. You want to. There's less or no communication, and that's why a reconciliation is not happening. But October will be the month for reconciliation, guys. Okay, major decisions are about to happen when it comes to your relationship part. Who are in less communication or no communication, who ended the relationship in the past. Okay, so this is for a particular situation, particular person. I think 10% of the people will be resonating with it. Okay, so there was a relationship going on very good in the past, which come to an end because of something. Okay, because there was some instability when it comes to your financial condition or your home life, and that's why you are in no communication or less communication with this person, with your partner, from so many months. Okay, let's say 8 months. Okay, and a major decision of reconciliation is about to happen in the month of October for you, Cancerians, and a new beginning is on the horizon. Okay, and for the Cancerians who are single, a new person might enter into your life in the month of October. Okay, or you might get a proposal for marriage in the month of October. So yes, coming together is definitely there. A reconciliation is there. Who are into separation, who are married but separated, who are into relationship but separated in the month of October. A new beginning is on the horizon for you. Okay, so next, what are your hopes and fears? Hopes and fears. You are carrying a lot of burden with you, Cancerians, when it comes to this relationship or financial stuff. You are carrying a lot of burden of your financial things. Okay, so yeah, either this relationship or your financial things. Okay, what is the outcome of the in the month of October? What will be the outcome in the month of October? So there are 3 scenarios. Okay, the people who are single, a love person might enter into your life. The people who are married but separated, who are into relationship but separated, or things got separated in the past due to uncertain things. Okay, they are still less or no communication, so a reconciliation or a reunion might be happening. The third type of people I'm seeing is that there are few people who are just feeling stuck when it comes to pentacles or money, or carrying a lot of baggages within themselves when it comes to materialistic world. Okay, so yeah, 3 different kinds of storylines are there for Cancerians. Okay, so take it whichever resonates with you. So yeah, you will be carrying a lot of burden in the month of October. Let us clarify 10 of Wands. 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 Okay, so there is some sneaky energy. Okay, just be careful about it. Okay, that is the devil energy. If you are stuck, your money is stuck somewhere, just do not feel bad about it, because money will be recovered. You will be feeling unstuck. Few money will be recovered in the month of October. Okay, if your money was stuck for so many years or so many months, from last 7 to 8 months. Okay, so money will be recovered. You won't be waiting for the money thing anymore. Okay, so things will be improving in the month of October, Cancerians. Okay, so I need to manage the things. Okay, so the first card is, okay, so there is certain wish fulfillment which you want in the month of October, and you are disappointed because that wish fulfillment is not coming true. Okay, like your wishes are not getting fulfilled. You will be disappointed. You will be feeling a little bit disappointed in the month of October. There's uncertainty going on within yourself and within outside world. Okay, you are feeling disappointed a lot. Okay, you are unable to balance yourself. A lot of successful life is on the horizon when it comes to materialistic world or your financial gains. Okay, so yeah, success is on the horizon in the month of October, either relationship wise, because you are reconciling, few of you will be reconciling with your partner, or else money wise. So a success is on the horizon in the month. Like success you will get, but it will take time, but you will start, the energetic changes will start happening for you. Okay, for moving towards the victory, and that's a beautiful thing. Okay, next, so you will be focusing on your moral values more in the month of October, like what is right, what is wrong, and I appreciate it, Cancerians. That's beautiful. So yes, that's beautiful. 2, there will be some hidden secrets and hidden truths will be coming out in the month of October for you guys. Okay, just think about it, see about it. You will be manifesting your wishes. Wish fulfillment is on the horizon in the month of October. Okay, if you were waiting for your wishes to come true for so long, so this will be the time. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so something is about to change into your energetic world. Okay, your stability or your foundation is about to get changed completely, for sure. Okay, and it will be a big moment, like your outside world is changing, your internal world is changing. So yeah, within yourself, within outside world, a big changes is on the horizon. Okay, and you are about to balance your life, when it comes to your financial world. So you will be able to balance your life when it comes to your inside world and your outside world. That's a beautiful thing, guys. So what universe needs to tell you in the month of October? Universal messages for you. Okay, these are lot many. Okay, first one, the second one, these cards are stuck a bit, third one and the fourth one. Okay, so the first universal message for you is obstacles are detours in the right direction. So whatever obstacles you are facing, they are actually aligning you to the right path. Okay, and the right direction. So do not worry about it. Wow, this is the best card. Okay, and I have never read it, this never comes in my reading, so this is for the first time it came into your reading. Okay, universal message, second universal message for you guys, Cancerians. My capacity to tune in to the energy of love gives me the words I need when I am ready to speak up, the compassion I need when it's time to forgive, and the power I need when I am lost. Beautiful. My capacity to tune in to the energy of love gives me the words I need when I'm ready to speak up, the compassion I need when it's time to forgive, and the power I need when I'm lost. Beautiful message. Wow. The third message. My happiness is a direct reflection of my level of faith in the universe. So you are trusting your intuition level and you are going with the flow. Surrender to the universe because it's guiding you in the right direction, Cancerians. So the fourth message is, when I'm connected to my joyful presence, I attract support from the universe. So just be happy. The more you will be happy, the more blessed you will be from the universe. Okay, so that will be the beautiful thing. So what is your gemstone for the month of October, Cancerians? What is your gemstone for the month of October? What is your gemstone for the month of October? What is your gemstone for the month of October? What will be the gemstone for the month of October? Okay, so this one is I'm taking. So your archangel is Archangel Michael. his message to you is, I am always safe and protected. My business is a great success and endures all the economic cycles with ease. It is easy for me to remove obstacles from my path. I am able to handle challenges. So you are definitely facing obstacles and challenges into your path, but you have to realize that Cancerians are the water signs and they are able to face their problems, okay, on their own. So you are ready to remove your obstacles which are coming from so long, okay. So yeah, so the gemstone for the month of October is black onyx. It looks like that, you can google it. So your question is, are you trying to reach a goal and keep getting pulled off course? The message is, maintain your focus, identify and release distractions keeping you from moving forward. Visualize your future. Know that you can easily work through any issues that may arise. Success is yours. So whatever problems or obstacles you are facing, you can visualize your future. You are ready to remove the obstacles in the month of October. You are dealing with obstacles and challenges for so long, and you are ready to remove it in the month of October, okay. So Cancerians, October will be your month, okay, to remove all the problems into your life, either financially or your personal, okay. So whatever it is you want to do, you have to take an action towards it, okay. You just cannot sit and relax. You need to take the action to move it, to shake it, okay. So yes, Cancerians, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Second most important thing, guys, is that kindly hit the like, share and subscribe button, okay. And yes, book the reading as you wish to, okay. Thank you so much, guys, Cancerians. Bye bye.